I'm Naomi from the Eddystone Trust, and today I'm going to be showing you how quick and easy it is to take a home HIV test. On ordering the test, you will receive a BioSure fast result test through the post. On opening the test, you will have a package that includes everything that you're going to need to take. It will also have a little leaflet explaining how the test works. So when taking the test, what we need to do is we need to make sure we find a nice plump part of our finger. The lancet is included, so you just push the lancet into your finger. Once done, give your finger a tiny little squeeze. Now your test will have a little pointy end, so you pop that onto where your finger is bleeding and it will soak up the blood. Now the test will tell you when it's had enough, no more blood will go up. As soon as it's had enough, on this end of the test, there's a little pop that you can just pull out. What you need to do is you need to push the pointy end of the test into the pot quite hard, so make sure that you've got a flat surface. Once done, the test will start working. Now these tests are really quick and easy to use, and they're free via the Eddystone Trust. So if you would like to take a fast, free home HIV test, give me an email on naomi@eddystone.org.uk. Thank you.